Oh, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be doing a new video today, a room tour part 2, and this is at the other house, and my room, and I'm in my room, but today I'm going to be doing another room tour, part 2, so let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to start over here. And we're gonna start over here with the chair and the desk. So up here it's messy because I got nowhere to put this. And this is like a small old TV, and this is my whole desk. That's my daddy, and that's when I was a baby. And there's a 3 pencil, and the 3 pencil right here that I usually use. And this is the teddy from Valentine. So I'm gonna put that back. It's keeping falling. I can't believe it. And this right here is the charger that I use for my phone, but my phone's somewhere dead. I think it died already. And this is the lamp, but it's not plugged in. And I also got 3 more. I don't know why things keeping falling. So anyway, guys. This right here is the 3 more light in there. As you can see, the 3 more light in there. And it's for, okay, I'm gonna have to fix that later. And this is for the lamp, because the light is the lamp. So, and then these, I have 2, and I have 2 pencil sharpener, the electric one and the, what do you call it again?
Manual?
Yeah, manual. And these are the 4 Prodigy toys that I got from my teacher from school a couple months ago, but it took like almost for the whole summer to get these.
It was last year.
Yeah, last year. And this is my phone. And the water been drinking. And this is the robot picture that I actually made. And this right here is the electric, it's a robot I'm about to make soon. And it's like electric. And this is my desk where I play video games with my friends. The tennis with and the controller. And the headphone. I got a smart TV. And I got a smart TV and the like regular TV, but not smart TV. So this remote right here, it worked for the smart TV up there. And this remote worked for the regular TV. I called it the regular TV. And these are my paired booths. This is my new booth. And my old booth. These 4 are the cardboard booths. And this is what the tennis I wear to school.
You don't go to school.
Yeah, but I homeschool. Like I used to, remember?
Okay.
And this is I forgot what it's called, but I'm just going to skip that. And we also got a piano. And this is Buddy's bed. And Buddy's just laying right there. So the dog here over there, I'm gonna clean it. And this is like the poster my brother made. This is my water booth and mud booth, but I don't want to get mud on me. This is the stairs, and this is the private bed, because this is my brother, and he don't like showing people, but we're just gonna show it anyway. This is my bed, but I'm gonna get, I forgot my bedroll. And this is my blanket that I sleep with. And this is like a cabinet. I don't really know what this is. And we also got some stain down here. There's a bunch of stain, and yeah.
Oh, that's how your bed broke.
Yeah, I think the cake fall off. Anyway, this is the bag. This is old clothes. That's the book for the Stop! Anyway, it's a little hard to put it back in. And as you can see,
Calvin.
a pack of candy and a backpack and this blanket treat. Well, I'm good. I actually didn't fall off, and these are my clothes. And these basically my clothes. And then we're not gonna steal my closet because it's full of stuff, and I don't want her to follow me. And this is my ninja toy. This is my Minecraft Galaxy sword. And this is my brother's letter and my little letter. So with a D, Calvin. And these are the two bats that I play with. And my bat, oh yeah, this also go with the ball. And also, this is my school backpack. But I don't use it anymore because next year I'm gonna go get a new backpack. This is Ninja. Go ahead and shop www.teamninja.com and the link in the description. And as you can see, this is the Rubik Cube that my brother won. Or him. These are the monsters from this, like the little egg that you just throw on the ground and the egg break. And then you can see these. That's my brother friend. This is my I don't know why I think chicken for him. And this is what my brother made. Okay, what you have to do is you go ahead and look right there. And then I can still see you up here. Where are you? Oh. Okay, and this are the card that my brother made and the card that this is my brother. This is my brother's small airplane. My brother have a bunch of stuff up here. These are my paint. The red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, black, brown, pink, and pink, another pink, and blue. And let's go ahead and get this. That's the paint for the brush. And that will be it today, guys. So make sure you go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. And then we will be doing another video tomorrow. I don't know when, but when I'm not busy. I'm gonna drink my water right now. Till next time, bye-bye. Say bye, buddy. Bye-bye.